The third edition is happening after almost a gap of 6 years.
Right.
Why such a long gap?
After the second season, we were hit by COVID and somehow cricketing activities were put on a halt. वो चीज़ को जो delay लगा, वो delay था. But aren't you excited that we are back?
The league starts monsoon period in Bombay.
Right, yeah.
As a team owner, there are a lot of concerns.
Right.
What if the rain kicks in?
I am just going to hope and pray to all the rain gods to be a little lighter on us this time. वो हमारा काम है.
Players
Right,
who registered
right.
for the Mumbai T20 League.
Right.
How did you anticipate this kind of a response first of all?
100% we anticipated because it's Mumbai at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It's the mecca of cricket.
Rohit Sharma,
Yeah.
Mumbai's a Raja. He is now the face of the league. How did that happen?
The man he is, we call him Mumbai's Raja for that reason.
Right.
मुंबई के लिए, मुंबई क्रिकेट के लिए कुछ भी. These were his words to both of us.
Right.
And that's how it happened. उन्होंने डेट दिया, हमने इमीडिएट एक दिन में डिक्लेयर भी कर दिया.
Vihang, first of all, thanks for the time with Cricket Graph. And let me congratulate you for getting re-elected as the chairman of Mumbai T20 League. I'll start off with a slightly uncomfortable question.
Right.
The first two editions of Mumbai T20 League happened in 2018-2019.
Right.
The third edition is happening after almost a gap of 6 years.
Right.
Why such a long gap?
See, actually, I'll tell you there are two preliminary and primary reasons for this. One is obviously we all know that we all went through it. It was COVID. So unfortunately, after the second season, we were hit by COVID and somehow cricketing activities were put on a halt.
Right.
Post that, what happened is when we started in 2018-19, we started at our level. If you remember, Mumbai Cricket was the first to start such a league.
Right.
But then the LODA reforms came, the LODA committee was formed and certain guidelines were set for state association, state body leagues.
Yeah.
Now our job was to follow those norms. So कोविड के बाद हम जब बैठे, मैं जब चेयरमैन बन के आया तो फर्स्ट थॉट वाज हाउ डू वी फिट ऑल ऑफ दिस इन द लोडा कमिटी रिफॉर्म्स एंड वर्क एज पर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. वो चीज़ को जो डिले लगा वो डिले था. But aren't you excited that we are back?
No, of course. There is a lot of excitement in the Mumbai cricket
It's going
circle.
to be worth the wait. I can assure you that for sure.
Yeah. Now, so, with the excitement, there's also one concern that is there. The league starts on 28th of May. 26th of May and goes on till 8th of June, which is around the monsoon period in Bombay.
Right.
As a spectator, as a cricketer, as a team owner, there are a lot of concerns.
Right.
What if the rain kicks in? What are the backup plans as the chairman of Mumbai T20 League?
See, first of all, because now we have to follow the reforms set by BCCI, all the guidelines we have to follow. तो उसके हिसाब से हमको IPL खत्म होने के बाद उसको करना है.
Right.
Now, unfortunately, monsoon hits Mumbai second week of June.
Yeah.
A little earlier than that, maybe, I don't know, depending on the.
No one knows.
No one knows, but yeah, it does. केरला में आने के बाद 4 दिन में बारिश हो जाती है.
Right.
I am just going to hope and pray to all the rain gods to be a little lighter on us this time. और आपको मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब हम लोग ने गणपति बप्पा का नाम लेके ये पूरा प्रोसेस चालू किया है.
Right.
और हर एक चीज़ पॉजिटिव हुआ है. तो I am very confident and very positive about the fact that this league is going to be undisturbed.
Okay.
By the rain gods.
Yeah.
और अगर कुछ ऊपर नीचे हुआ then we have a backup plan. हमने एक रिजर्व डे रखा है.
Okay.
And उसके हिसाब से हम शेड्यूलिंग भी उसका कर रहे हैं.
Okay. No, I think you're right. I think so far you're ticking all the right boxes.
Yeah.
And another box which was ticked is the response that you got from the cricketers. Around 2,800 players who registered for the Mumbai T20 League.
Right.
How did you anticipate this kind of a response first of all?
कैसा है? Anticipated, 100% we anticipated because it's Mumbai at the end of the day. It's the mecca of cricket.
Right.
So here the trend, here the competition, here the level is completely different. Everyone knows it, the country knows it. So ये एंटिसिपेट किया था कि लोकल टैलेंट और लोकल प्लेयर्स में ये एक्साइटमेंट, क्योंकि मैं आज मेरा ये टर्म टेन्योर का इट्स माय सेकंड, अभी एजीएम में जस्ट री इलेक्ट हुआ. बट द काइंड ऑफ मैसेजेस आई गेट, द काइंड ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स आई गेट यूज्ड टू गेट from all the cricketers, their parents, whenever I used to meet anyone कि कदी होते हैं लीग, कदी होते हैं, कब हो रहा है, कब हो रहा है, कब हो रहा है. पर मैं आई हैड टू पुट इट इन माई हार्ट दैट यू नो इट विल हैपन, यू जस्ट हैव टू बी अ लिटिल पेशेंट.
Right.
सो वो पेशेंस लोगों ने रखा, क्रिकेटर्स ने रखा. जो डिले हुआ उसके लिए मैं माफ़ी मांगना चाहता हूँ, बट आज ये हो रहा है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट मोर देन 2,800 kids have registered.
Right.
And it's been phenomenal, and we are planning a lot of activities now till the start of the league,
Right.
so that to build the whole hype of the
Great. Now, so another thing which I wanted to speak to you about is Rohit Sharma,
league. Yeah.
Mumbai's Raja. He is now the face of the league. How did that happen? And please walk us through that part
मैंने
of the
आपको
journey.
जैसे कहा कि हमने जो जो सोचा वो हो रहा है. तो एज एन एसोसिएशन मैंने जब एज अ चेयरमैन आई पुट अप अ पॉइंट टू द प्रेसिडेंट अजिंक्य नायक
Right.
कि यू नो आई हैव दिस विश टू हैव रोहित शर्मा एज द फेस ऑफ द लीग, बिकॉज ही इज द बिगेस्ट मोटिवेशन फॉर एनीवन इन दिस कंट्री, फॉर द सिटी ऑफ मुंबई.
Right.
उसका जो जर्नी है, वो जो मुकाम पे आज आया है,
Right.
whatever he has achieved,
Right.
it's phenomenal.
Right.
So we cannot have a better motivation than Rohit Sharma. After hearing all of this, when we put up a word to Rohit, you'll not believe me, it took him 2 days to say yes to us.
Oh.
We put up the point that, you know, Rohit, we expect you to be the face of it and we want you to be there for the city, for the association, for all the budding cricketers.
Right.
You are the biggest inspiration for it. आग बंद करके the man he is, you know, we call him मुंबईचा राजा for that reason.
Right.
मतलब मुंबई के लिए, मुंबई क्रिकेट के लिए कुछ भी. These were his words to both of us.
Right.
And that's how it happened. उन्होंने डेट दिया, हमने immediate एक दिन में डिक्लेयर भी कर दिया.
Great.
So yeah, we are actually very happy and thanks to Rohit, you know, to come on board.
There's one side of me who's a cricketer who would love to see Rohit Sharma get out there and play on the cricket field.
Right.
I'm pretty sure you would also would like to see
100%.
that part of Rohit Sharma.
Right.
So what would you choose between him playing on the cricket field or being the face?
See, obviously, because he's such a phenomenal player,
Yeah.
इसीलिए हम उसको आज फेस बना रहे हैं.
Right.
For the player he is.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So his game is what we have all adored, we have followed, and today to have him as the face for the league cannot be, nothing can be bigger than this. Obviously, जब league आएगा opening day पे, we'll request him to, you know, hit a few sixes for the audience. But it's Rohit. At the end of the day, you don't need to guide him. He
Right.
does what he feels is right.
मैंने ये बाउंसर डाला था, अच्छा खेल लिया आपने.
अच्छा, ठीक, वो हमारा काम है.
So see, now Ajinkya Naik, he is the president of Mumbai Cricket
Yeah,
Association.
yeah.
He is probably the youngest. He is the youngest president
Yeah.
ever in the history of
Yeah,
MCM. You're also quite young. Now it's good to see young blood, you know, drive such a big institution
Right,
like MCL.
right.
What are the new, you know, initiatives or some interesting developments that we would see in the Mumbai T20 League?
See, there are, जैसे आपने कहा, Ajinkya Naik is the youngest president. It's true. He's also my dear friend. मतलब before we were in the association, we were friends.
Okay.
And ये मतलब it's somehow come to this point that, you know, he is the president. I am the chairman of the league associated with it. So both of us have this tuning, and you know, we have thought that, you know, we want this league to be the biggest and the best. You know, it can be. And we have multiple ideas. He has multiple ideas. I have. So we sit every 2 days. We share our ideas. जैसे we want to do a lot of things on ground. हमारे जो आज मुंबई क्रिकेट किस पे जीता है, ये मैदान क्रिकेट पे जीता है.
Right.
ये मैदान क्रिकेट में बस क्रिएट करने के लिए हम कोई एक्टिविटी सोच रहे हैं.
Okay.
You know, जिससे हम एक माहौल बनाए for all
Right.
the young cricketers.
Right.
Then we are also thinking of taking up some initiatives, you know, as and when it progresses, I'll let you know also, like,
Okay.
you know, environment friendly
Okay.
initiatives.
On the sustainability part of
yeah,
it.
sustainability को लेकर,
Okay.
environment को लेकर,
Right.
थोड़े CSR activities भी हम plan कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
You know, for our foundation, हमारे जो core है cricket
Right.
के, मुंबई
Right.
cricket के जो core है उनके लिए. तो a lot of things are being planned. League होगा, league तो exceptionally well होगा because मुंबई में हो रहा है, वानखेड़े में हो रहा है, cricket है. तो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट कंप्लीट ब्लॉकबस्टर मूवी जैसे कहते हैं.
Right.
तो ये ब्लॉकबस्टर ही होने वाला है. बट एट द सेम टाइम वी वांट टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बिफोर द लीग स्टार्ट्स ऑन 26th May. So
Right.
as and when it happens, I'll let you
Okay. Are the broadcasting partners and all of those
It's
decided?
in
Is
process.
in place? It's in process.
Yeah.
Okay. Apart from that, you know, there are neighboring associations who are doing Women's Premier League.
Yeah.
Right. Does MCA have a plan for women cricketers to have a league something on the lines of Mumbai T20 for women cricketers?
No, certainly there is a plan for it because जैसे हमारी men's team है वही level पे हमारी women's की भी players है, तो ये thought तो मेरे mind में पहले से है कि we want to do it, you know, the women's league. But at the moment the focus is completely on making this league a success, the T20 Mumbai League. And with time I think ये पहले होते ही हम उसका भी planning करेंगे, ऐसा हम उस फ्रेमवर्क में है, मेंटल फ्रेमवर्क.
ओके, तो उसके प्लान्स है,
100% उसके प्लान्स है, बिकॉज आई फील वी हैव the best women's team that any association can have.
Right.
So we need to think of the same kind of a platform for them as well.
Right. What are some of the big names whom we can see in the Mumbai T20 League in terms of the cricketers who would be playing?
Yeah, so big names आप जो सोच रहे हो, जो आपके माइंड में आ रहे हैं, वो सब खेलेंगे.
Okay.
हमने उनके साथ ऑलरेडी कम्युनिकेट किया है.
Okay.
And we are 110% hopeful everyone will play.
Right.
See, like I told you, Rohit, no one thought would he come on board.
Right.
He did.
Right. Yeah.
Now there is no one bigger than Rohit as of today in the current playing team. So I'm sure बाकी जितने भी हमारे मुंबई प्लेयर्स हैं जो इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, उनके तो वो यही है, आइडल ही है.
बराबर.
तो अगर रोहित भाई टाइम दे सकते हैं तो बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अबाउट टाइम. दे आर ऑल वेरी पॉजिटिव. व्हेनेवर आई मीट एनी ऑफ दीज क्रिकेटर्स हु आर प्लेइंग फॉर इंडिया, सबने वही कहा कि वियांग जब भी चालू होएगा, आई एम गेम. सो दैट्स द फैमिली, यू नो, वी बिल्ड अक्रॉस. यू नो, एवरीवन स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द एसोसिएशन ने आज उनको प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है. प्लेटफॉर्म से आज वो इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, आईपीएल में खेलते हैं. तो ये एसोसिएशन का खुद का लीग है.
बराबर. IPL का बात किया, उसके लिए वन क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैड, ये जो टाइमिंग है विच इज़ इन द मे एंड में है टुवर्ड्स जून, दिस इज आफ्टर द IPL गेट्स ओवर. इन द फ्यूचर probably it would be better if we have the league much ahead of the IPL auction so that these players get a chance in the IPL pool. What are your thoughts around that?
Thoughts, obviously as a chairman it's my thought that it should happen before IPL. But see, we have to respect the norms, we have to respect what BCCI अपने guidelines put up करता है. तो वो norms के हिसाब से we can only do after IPL as of today. जैसे वो कुछ अगर कभी कल update हो गया BCCI में, तो we will be on track with it. We are so happy to do it before IPL. But क्या होता है कि BCCI के domestic cricket on होता है तो बिफोर IPL स्टार्ट्स,
विंडो कम है,
तो वो विंडो नहीं मिलता है, यू नो. तो कल अगर कभी ये चेंजेस आए इसको, तो शायद
we'll accommodate that.
पहले ही करेंगे.
Okay. And as a chairman of the Mumbai T20 League, what's your vision for Mumbai T20?
See, vision is that this league is actually the best platform any Mumbai का local cricketer or any budding cricketer can get. So you saw the response in the registrations. So that's a sign, you know, that this league was much anticipated. Everyone was waiting for this league. The thought is to make all these cricketers self-employed. ये platform के जरिए वो उनका आगे career बना सके. And there should always be hope for the future of our cricket. कि यार ये लीग में मुझे खेलना है. T20 मुंबई लीग में मुझे पार्टिसिपेट करना है. मैं वो मुकाम पे आऊँ कि ये लीग में मुझे कोई ऑक्शन में बिड करे. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द स्टार्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द ब्राइटेस्ट फ्यूचर वन budding cricketer can get, which is why we are going to make it the biggest. भले हम बहुत सालों बाद वापस आ रहे हैं, ये थर्ड सीजन बहुत सालों बाद हो रहा है, बट ये जो void था, ये जो गैप है, ये मैं महसूस होने नहीं दूंगा. इतना हम assurance दे सकते हैं.
Great.
So what you can expect from this league this time is like it will be the biggest that any state association has done, and we are going to make it grand, and it's going to be very thrilling also, because of the quality of cricket Mumbai has.
Of course, yeah. Now we look forward to it, and thanks for your time, Vihang. Look forward to an exciting session of Mumbai T20 League.